Let's see how to make your iPhone show flashlight when receiving a text message notification. So for that, what you have to do, just go to settings, okay, and scroll down and find accessibility, tap on it. Now scroll down and find audio visual, tap on it, and now scroll down and find LED flash for alerts, tap on it, and now just turn it on. If you want to receive the flash while unlocked also, then you should turn it on also. Now when someone will try to send any text message, the flashlight will be there to alert you. Let's see. Okay, so whenever someone will send you any SMS, the flashlight will turn on. If it is not working, maybe your notification for messages are turned off. So what you can do, you can go to the setting homepage and tap on messages and tap on notification and make sure the allow notification is turned on. If it is off, turn it on. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.